Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0128 indicates a cooling system malfunction in the 2022 Plus Honda Civic. This issue arises when the engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor readings are abnormal, which can be pivotal for engine performance and efficiency. Specifically, the ECT sensor 2 temperature may rise excessively immediately after engine start, or the ECT sensor 1 temperature fails to reach a specified level. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors these temperatures to ensure the engine operates within optimal heat levels. If these sensors' readings suggest an inconsistency, the PCM triggers the P0128 code to alert technicians of the potential underlying problems. Understanding this code's implications is essential for effective troubleshooting and maintaining vehicle health. The P0128 error revolves around the engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensors, specifically ECT sensor 1 and ECT sensor 2. ECT sensor 1 is responsible for monitoring the coolant temperature and reporting to the PCM to ensure proper engine operation. ECT sensor 2 serves as a secondary monitor, which enhances the system's accuracy in temperature readings. Both sensors are crucial for providing feedback to the PCM regarding the engine's thermal state, aiding in optimal fuel management and emissions control. These sensors are typically located near the engine's coolant passage, strategically placed to capture accurate readings. The PCM uses this data to adjust variables such as fuel injection and ignition timing, ensuring the engine runs efficiently. If the sensors report abnormal temperatures, it can lead to issues like engine overheating or poor fuel economy. Several potential causes can trigger the P0128 code in a Honda Civic. First and foremost, a faulty thermostat can be a significant contributor. The thermostat regulates coolant flow, and if it fails to open or close properly, it can prevent the engine from reaching adequate operating temperatures. Secondly, issues may arise within the ECT sensors themselves. These sensors may malfunction or provide inaccurate readings. A malfunctioning Powertrain Control Module, PCM, can also lead to the erroneous detection of cooling system problems. Lastly, blockages or leaks within the cooling system may impede the flow of coolant, impacting temperature readings and overall engine cooling performance. Identifying these causes is vital for ensuring the efficient operation of the vehicle's cooling system. When the P0128 code is present, several symptoms may manifest in the Honda Civic. One noticeable symptom is poor engine performance, which may include reduced acceleration and sluggishness, often linked to improper fuel and air mixture due to incorrect temperature readings. Increased fuel consumption can also occur, as the engine may run richer than necessary when the PCM believes the engine is cold. Drivers may notice a dashboard warning light indicating a cooling system problem, prompting further inspection. Lastly, overheating issues may arise, as the coolant may not circulate effectively due to thermostat failure or sensor errors. Recognizing these symptoms early can prevent further engine damage and ensure optimal performance. The first troubleshooting step for addressing the P0128 code involves cooling the engine down to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Celsius or less. This is essential as it ensures that you start with a baseline reading, allowing for accurate evaluations moving forward. After the engine has cooled, you need to establish the current values from the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for both ECT Sensor 1 and ECT Sensor 2. Recording these values is critical as it creates a reference point to measure any changes or abnormalities during the troubleshooting process. By comparing subsequent readings against these initial values, you can diagnose whether a failure is indeed present in the cooling system thereby facilitating further inspection steps effectively. After confirming the initial ECT sensor readings, the next step involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle. During this process, it is critical to closely monitor the ECT sensor 1 value for any significant increases. The established benchmark is that ECT sensor 1 should rise by at least 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Celsius, from the recorded starting value. Additionally, it is important to observe how quickly this increase occurs and if it remains consistent with typical operating conditions. If this increase is achieved, you will then assess ECT sensor 2 to evaluate whether it also exhibits an appropriate rise in temperature. This assessment is crucial for duplicating the failure and confirming possible cooling system issues. The third step in troubleshooting involves assessing the ECT sensor 2 values after you've previously monitored ECT sensor 1. Specifically, you are looking to see if ECT sensor 2 experiences a rise of at least 13 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius from the baseline as recorded in the initial steps. Observing ECT sensor 2's behavior helps confirm whether the malfunction persists, providing additional validation of issues within the engine cooling system. This step is critical because if both ECT sensors demonstrate improper behavior during testing, it reinforces the suspicion of a cooling system malfunction. By confirming that the failure is duplicated in both sensors, you can move forward to more specific checks rather than making assumptions based on isolated tests. Once repairs have been conducted based on the identified issues relating to P0128, it is essential to undertake final repair verification. This involves confirming that all diagnostic tests validate the effectiveness of the repairs made. It is necessary to conduct a thorough scan for any lingering diagnostic trouble codes to ensure P0128 or any related codes do not reappear. This step guarantees that the issue has been resolved adequately. Furthermore, monitoring the engine's performance post-repair is crucial. Observing improvements in engine efficiency and responsiveness can indicate that the problems associated with the cooling system have been effectively addressed, promoting longevity in performance and reliability. Preventive maintenance is a key aspect of ensuring that issues like the P0128 code do not arise in the future. Regularly scheduled checks of the vehicle's cooling system can help catch potential problems early before they escalate into serious failures. It's wise to inspect the thermostat function periodically, ensuring it operates correctly and allows for optimal coolant flow. Maintaining the integrity of both ECT sensors is also vital. Keep connections clean and assess for any wear that may compromise their effectiveness. By instituting these preventive measures, vehicle owners can protect their investments and promote a hassle-free driving experience, while maximizing engine efficiency. In summary, the P0128 code alerts Honda Civic drivers to potential cooling system dysfunction. Understanding the significance of this diagnostic trouble code is the first step towards effective resolution. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach as outlined allows technicians to accurately identify and rectify underlying issues, ensuring the vehicle operates efficiently. Finally, implementing preventive measures can help mitigate future risks associated with this code and encourage longer-term vehicle health. Ensuring regular maintenance and paying attention to symptom signals will contribute greatly to averting similar issues, ultimately leading to a safer and more reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.